Let's do some examples where we have to multiply decimals. Here's one where we have 17 times 0.4. So let's write that. And when we write it down, it doesn't necessarily have to be lined up. What we do is we ignore the decimal point for the moment and multiply regularly. 4 times 7 is 28. Carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So at this point we have our result to be 68. Basically 17 times 4 is equal to 68. Now we count the decimal places. This has no decimal places. This has one decimal place. And so we have a total of one decimal place to move. Our imaginary decimal point is sitting here. We move that one over, and so our final result should be 6.8, or 6 8/10. Let's take a look at a second example of multiplying decimals. So let's multiply 0.35 times 0.025. So again, the decimals don't have to be lined up, written vertically. We're essentially multiplying 35 times 25. So 5 times 5 is 25, carry a 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. And then 2 times 35 is 70. So when we add this up, we have 5, a 7, and an 8. So 35 times 25 is 875. Now we count the decimal places. We have 2 decimal places for the first number. We have 3 decimal places for the second number. So that gives a total of 5 decimal places we have to move. So we take our decimal point, move it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, and then here we have to add a couple of other zeros to get our decimal point. So our decimal point lives here, and we usually put another extra decimal point if there's no whole number part. So then the result is 0 point, and then the 2 zeros that came up here, and then 875. So this is our final answer.